I don't know why Amazon sent me such a huge box for just a suction cup from GoPro. I guess it got here safely, as far as I know. So I am replacing, if you guys watch my videos, I actually had, oops, I forgot to bring it over for the video. My suction mount does an awesome job, but the heat of Nevada the other day in Las Vegas got the best of it. So this part works great. I'm probably going to scrap out a few parts, but this, as I tighten it, watch, it widens. You watch right here. Boop. And then that widens and just flies apart. Now I pushed it together, but the stuff I'm wanting to do with it, I just can't have it flying apart. I could print a new one, but it's easier just to buy an electrical brand. Is that my address on it? What is all this stuff? Bunch of advertisement. I think I got someone's mail. What's that? Huh. This looks like something to look at later. I don't know why this was in there. Doesn't even have an address. I guess that's the side of the box too. I guess Amazon was outsourcing their stuff there. No problem. Still came in. Pretty heavy. It says it handles like 150 mile an hour wind. There it is in a different language. 150 plus. And if you guys are really going 150 mile an hour, remember the lifetime warranty. Remember the wind coming at you adds to the wind on the suction. It's never been open. So I think if you're going 20 mile an hour and there's 10 mile an hour winds, wouldn't that be like 30 mile an hour on the GoPro? Kind of packaged like really old feeling. Oh, I wish it would. Look, it's already suctioned in. You see that? I hate suction cups that do that. There, it needs to come flat. That feels a lot thicker than my other one. It says GoPro on it. Oh, it has gears or grip points. It says press. Press. Press will make it go flat. It says press right there. Sorry, I'm moving around so much. Yeah, I like the quality of it. Looks like it came with, there's the manual. I have to rip this apart to get it all out. I don't really care for the GoPro style, but it'll work. Huh. Where's the bolt through there? Really? They can't give you an extra? So this is to go on there, but you have to use that bolt to go through this if you're wanting to adapt it to that. There's still something else in here. Oh, this is the one I wanted. The long one, which again you have to use the bolt. There, this thing's a monster. Definitely good plastic. Doesn't feel like it'll wobble at all. I guess they do give you one right here. Yeah, let's go try it out. Thanks.